So students, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So today I am going to teach you interrogative sentence. What I am going to teach you?
Interrogative sentence.
Okay, tell me what are the interrogative sentences? Do you know interrogative sentences? What are the interrogative sentences? The interrogative sentences are the sentences in which we ask the questions to someone. It means, in short, interrogative sentence are simply questions. राइट जिनकी दो कैटेगरीज होती, कितनी कैटेगरीज होती है स्टूडेंट्स? दो. फर्स्ट दैट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम एंड द सेकंड आर WH words, right? So today we will learn the questions that starts from helping verb, and I will also teach you how to answer them. Okay?
Yes,
so
sir.
we will learn them very carefully because I will call you on this stage after this. After teaching this, I will call you on this stage for answering this. देखो पहले क्वेश्चंस जिनकी शुरुआत हम लोग हेल्पिंग वर्ब से करते हैं, लाइक जैसे आप किसी से पूछते हो डू यू स्टडी, क्या आप पढ़ाई करते हो? आर यू फ्रॉम खंडवा, क्या आप खंडवा से हो? ओके. कैन यू स्पीक मराठी, क्या आप मराठी बोल सकते हैं? आर यू लर्निंग इंग्लिश फ्रॉम PI, क्या आप पर्सोना इंस्टीट्यूट से इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं? राइट. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर कॉल्ड द क्वेश्चंस दैट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेल्पिंग वर्ब. दे आर आल्सो कॉल्ड यस नो क्वेश्चंस. इनको हम और क्या कहते हैं बताओ? अच्छा, कोई बताएगा इनको यस नो क्वेश्चंस क्यों कहते हैं? व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड यस नो क्वेश्चंस? बिकॉज दे आर ऑलवेज आंसर्ड इन यस एंड नो. राइट. क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चंस हमेशा किस में आंसर होते हैं? यस नो में. अगर मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन करूं डू यू स्टडी, तो या तो आप कहोगे यस या फिर आप क्या कहोगे? नो. ओके. आर यू फ्रॉम खंडवा, या तो आप कहोगे यस या फिर आप कहोगे नो. दैट इज व्हाई स्टूडेंट्स दे आर कॉल्ड यस नो क्वेश्चंस. गेटिंग? आ रही बात समझ में? जैसे जैसे मैंने आपसे पूछा आर यू गेटिंग, तो आर यू गेटिंग भी क्या है आपका? एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब वाला क्वेश्चन है जिसकी शुरुआत किससे हो रही है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब से. किससे हो रही है? अब मैं आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हिंदी में पूछता हूं, आपको उनको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करना है. तैयार है? चलो. क्या ये पेन है? इज दिस पेन? क्या आप खंडवा से हैं? क्या आप पर्सोना इंस्टीट्यूट जाते हैं? डू यू गो टू पर्सोना इंस्टीट्यूट? क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखते हैं? क्या आप इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं? रहे हैं. कौन सा टेंस है मयूर? आर यू लर्निंग इंग्लिश कौन सा टेंस है? कॉन्टिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. राइट. क्या आप बेसिक कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं? क्या आप बेसिक, आंसर नहीं करना है, यू हैव टू ट्रांसलेट देम इनटू इंग्लिश. क्या आप बेसिक कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं? हैव यू कंप्लीटेड बेसिक? सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर अगर कर लिया तो? यस आई हैव कंप्लीटेड बेसिक. और नहीं कंप्लीट किया तो? नो सर आई हैव नॉट कंप्लीटेड बेसिक. आर यू गेटिंग? चलो अब इनको आंसर करते हैं. डू यू स्टडी? आई स्टडी. क्या बोलोगे? यस आई स्टडी. और नहीं करते हो पढ़ाई तो? नो आई डोंट स्टडी. क्या कहोगे? नो आई डोंट स्टडी. तो ये कौन से टेंस में क्वेश्चन पूछा है मैंने, बताओ? डू यू स्टडी? प्रेजेंट सिंपल में. वेरी गुड. और प्रेजेंट सिंपल में आपने अगर इसको आंसर करना है स्टूडेंट्स, तो मैं यहां पर बताता हूं आपको. प्रेजेंट सिंपल में कुछ इस तरीके से आएगा, यस एंड नो. अगर आप पढ़ाई करते हैं डू यू स्टडी, तो आप कहेंगे यस आई स्टडी. और नहीं करते तो? नो आई डोंट स्टडी. नो आई डोंट स्टडी. अच्छा, शॉर्ट में अगर आंसर करना तो क्या बोलोगे? यस आई डू. क्या बोलोगे? और इसमें नो आई डोंट. नो आई डोंट. कोई सा भी क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जाए अगर शॉर्ट में आंसर करना तो यस आई डू. डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? यस आई डू. यस आई डू. शॉर्ट भी करना, आपको लेंदी नहीं करना है. डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? और नहीं बोलते तो? नो आई डोंट. नो आई डोंट. डू यू कम हियर? यस आई डू. नहीं आते हो तो? नो आई डोंट. डू यू हेल्प योर फ्रेंड्स? यस आई डू. नहीं करते हो तो? डू यू नो मी? यस आई डू. नहीं जानते हो मुझे तो? नो आई डोंट. नो आई डोंट. डू यू हेल्प योर फ्रेंड्स? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you read any book? Yes, I do. और नहीं पढ़ते हो तो? No, I don't. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So on this stage, I may ask you any question. It's up to me, but you have to answer it correctly. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो ऐसे ही इसी बेसिस पर अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, Are you from Khandwa? Yes, I am from Khandwa. Very good. और अगर आप खंडवा से नहीं है तो No, I am not from You can see students over here. Yes, I am from Khandwa. No, I am not from Khandwa. अच्छा शॉर्ट में आंसर देंगे तो Yes, I am. सिर्फ यहीं तक देना आंसर आपको. Yes, I am. Are you from Gwalior? Yes, I am. और नहीं हो तो No, I am not. No, I am not. No, I am not. Okay. Are you a student of Persona Institute? Yes, I am. क्या बोलोगे? और पूरा बोलोगे तो Yes, I am a student of Persona Institute. और नहीं हो तो I am not a student of Persona Institute. That's very easy. Getting?
Yes, sir.
You can see how easy they are. कितना आसान है इनको आंसर करना है कि नहीं? देखो आपको जो बुक है अपनी पर्सोना इंस्टीट्यूट की उसमें कितने सारे क्वेश्चंस दिए कि नहीं? डू यू कम हियर? यस आई कम हियर. नो आई डू नॉट कम हियर. डू यू स्टडी? यस आई स्टडी. नो आई डू नॉट स्टडी. डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? यस आई स्पीक इंग्लिश. नो आई डू नॉट स्पीक इंग्लिश. इन शॉर्ट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस. और आपको अपने टंग पर ऐसे प्रिपेयर करना है कि जब आप किसी से इंग्लिश में बातचीत करें, अगर कोई आपसे पूछे आर यू फ्रॉम खंडवा? यस आई एम. नो नो नो, आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम खंडवा, आई एम फ्रॉम इंदौर. Oh, are you from Indore? Yes, I'm from Indore. Do you live in Indore? Yes, I live in Indore. Where do you live in Indore? और फिर आप कहा उन्होंने पूछा इंदौर में कहाँ रहते हो? Then you have to speak the exact location where you live. Getting?
Yes, sir.
आ रही बात समझ में सभी को?
Yes, sir.
चलो, the next question we have. Can you speak Marathi?
Yes.
If you can, you would say yes, sir. I can speak Marathi. And you cannot, so no, sir. No, sir, I cannot speak Marathi. Can you do this work? Yes, I can do this work. और नहीं कर सकते तो? No, I cannot do this work. That's very good, student. Now the next question I'm asking you: Are you learning English from Persona Institute? Very good. And what do you say? Negative में क्या कहोगे? Yes. No, I'm not learning English from Persona Institute. So, but you can't say that you are not learning English from Persona Institute because you are learning here. That is why. So you would only say yes, I'm learning English from Persona Institute. Are you getting, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So all these questions that I've asked you are called yes/no questions, and they are very easy to answer. Okay, one can easily answer all these questions because they are very, very, very easy. If I ask you, is this marker pen? Yes, sir, this is a marker pen. Can I write on board with this marker pen? Yes. Yes, sir, you can write on this board with marker pen. Can I write with pencil on this whiteboard? No, sir. पूरा बोलो no, sir बोल के रुक जाते हो यार. Can I write with pencil on this whiteboard?
No, sir.
You cannot write with pencil on this whiteboard. Because pencil will not work on this whiteboard. Only marker pen will work on this whiteboard. Getting, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So अब मैं बुलाने वाला हूँ स्टेज पर. कौन कौन आने वाला है स्टेज पर? Okay, इसको सेव कर लो. कितने? So everyone, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to call on the stage Radhika, youngest girl of the class. या इसके ऊपर खड़े होना है आपको. Okay, is Radhika visible in the camera? Yeah, have it. You have to speak in mic. Have it? Okay. Now I'm going to ask you questions and you have to answer them, Radhika. Are you ready to answer it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's very good. So first tell me, are you Radhika?
Yes, sir. I am Radhika.
Okay, from where are you?
I am from
Khandwa.
Khandwa.
Okay, very good. Are you from Khandwa?
Yes, sir. I am from Khandwa.
Very good. What is this?
This is marker pen.
This is marker pen. Okay, and what is this?
This is board.
Is this whiteboard?
Yes, is this whiteboard?
Okay, is this blackboard?
No, is this not blackboard?
No, sir, this is not blackboard. And speak in mic and speak loudly, Radhika. Okay, you are looking very confident. Okay, are you learning English from Persona Institute?
Yes, I am learning English from Persona Institute.
Very good. Are you regular student of Persona Institute?
Yes, I am regular student
Of Persona. You can remove your mask. so that you will be able to speak properly, because now you are unable to speak because of your mask. Okay, can you speak Marathi?
No. No.
I cannot
I cannot speak
Marathi. Can you speak Sanskrit?
No. No, I can
हाँ,
not
speak Sanskrit. Can you speak Hindi?
Yes. I can speak Hindi.
Okay. And why are you taking so much pose while speaking? You are a very confident girl, okay? Just believe in yourself and speak confidently. No need to fear from camera, okay? And first time you are facing, I think, camera, that is why you are looking a little bit nervous. Okay, I'm asking few more questions. In which school do you study?
I study in class 6th.
6th. Oh, you study in class 6th. In which school? In which school?
My school name is Kendriya Vidyalaya Khandwa.
Kendriya Vidyalaya. That's very good. And who is your class teacher?
My class teacher is Vibhavri Tiwari ma'am.
Biva Tiwari ma'am. Oh, that's good. And what does she teach you?
She teach me maths.
Mathematics. Okay. Do you like mathematics?
Yes.
Okay. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Mathematics. Oh, that's good. Don't you like English?
I like it.
You like it? Okay, that's good. Tell me something about your family. Okay, how many members are there in your family?
My family, they are in 3 members.
There are only 3 members. Mama, Papa and you. That's enough. That's enough. Clapping for Radhika, everyone. Radhika was the youngest girl from the batch and she has answered very well. If Radhika can answer, so I think Mayur can also answer. Mayur, come on the stage with yes. Okay, so Mayur, chalo, ab mujhe batao Mayur, are you listening to me?
Yes, I am listening to you.
Very good. Okay, can I ask you anything?
Yes, you can ask anything.
That's very good. Yeah, he's looking very confident. What is this?
This is marker.
Who am I?
You are sir.
Am I sir? Am I teacher?
Yes, you are teacher.
What do I teach?
You teach English.
Do I teach English?
Yes. You teach English.
Okay. Do I teach you English?
Yes, you teach me English.
Oh, that's very good. Yeah, he's very confident and intelligent and brilliant boy. He's answering very well. Okay. Are you learning English from Persona Institute?
Yes, I am learning English from Persona Institute.
Do you come here daily?
Yes, I am come here daily.
Yes, I am come here daily. Is it right,
Yes,
audience? Do you come here daily?
Yes, I come here daily.
Yes, I come here daily. You can't say I am come here daily. Got it?
Yes.
While answering, we have to know about our mistakes. We don't have to make any mistake, okay?
Yes.
Do you come here daily with your friends?
Yes, I am come here.
Yeah,
daily.
I am. Again, he's saying I am. Do you come here daily with your friends?
Yes, I come here daily
With my
friends.
Very good, Mayur. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And when do you come here?
I am coming at.
I-
I come here at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay. And how many friends do you have?
I have many friends.
Can you speak the name of your few friends?
Anshul
Yes.
and Krishna.
Krishna. Okay. And don't you play cricket with them?
I play cricket with them.
Only cricket you play. Apart from cricket, any a special game that you play?
No, I am playing hockey, playing chess.
Okay, you play chess,
carom.
hockey, carom, everything with them. Okay, so these days, especially in summer vacation, right now your schools are not running, you are at your home. So what do you play with your friends?
We are playing only.
We play.
We play cricket
You play only cricket. So when do you play cricket?
at morning.
In morning. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. And in evening you come here for learning English.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. And do you like to play Holi?
Yes, I like to play Holi.
Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Blue is your favorite color. Oh, that's good. That's good. And why are you coming here?
Because my English is weak, that's why I am coming here.
Okay, so are you improving yourself by coming here?
Yes, I am improving myself.
Okay, that's good. You are improving yourself by coming here. Chale, that's very good. And the next questions to you. In which school do you study?
I study in 7th class and my school name is St. Pius.
St. Pius Higher Secondary. Okay, okay.
Secondary school.
That's good. That's good. And who is the principal of your school?
Sister Janita.
Sister
Janita.
Janita is your principal. Okay, that's good. And who's your class teacher?
My class teacher name is Lakshmi teacher.
Lakshmi teacher. And what does she teach you?
She teach me English.
English. Do you like English subject?
Yes, I like.
That's very good. Mayur is very confident boy and he has answered each and every question correctly. So I just want to all the audience to clap for Mayur. Excellent, Mayur. Have a seat, please. Okay, now the next I'm going to call Mahi. Mahi, will you answer? Yeah, just come. Have it. So Mahi, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm listening to you.
Yes, sir. I am listening to you.
Where are you, Mahi?
I am Persona Institute.
I'm in Persona Institute.
I am
Okay.
in Persona
Okay. Who am I?
Who?
Who am I? मैं कौन हूँ?
You are teacher.
Okay. What do I teach?
I teach English.
I teach English कि you teach English?
You teach English.
Okay. Do you learn English from here?
Yes, sir. I learn English for here.
From here. Where is your bag?
My bag is this.
My bag is there. Okay. Are you doing your basic?
Yes, I am doing
My
your
basic. Very good. And are you student of basic?
Yes, I am
A student of
basic.
Basic. Very good, Maya. अच्छा आंसर कर रही हैं आप. और I would say to all the students who are sitting over here, you are the student of basic English. और आप लोगों को अपनी गलतियों के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना है. You simply have to answer without thinking about your mistakes. Right? राधिका अभी बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस फील कर रही थी जब कैमरे को फेस कर रही थी. So we don't have to feel nervous. Okay? We simply have to answer it without thinking about mistakes. The next questions to you. When do you come here?
I went.
I come here.
I come here.
कब आती हैं आप यहाँ पर?
I come here 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock की 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock.
It's a 4 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, and with whom do you come here?
Alone come here.
I come here alone.
I come here alone.
Okay, okay. Chali, that's very good. Mahi, the next questions to you. Why are you learning English?
My English, I become doctor.
I want to become doctor.
I want to become doctor because I learn English,
And that's why I'm learning English.
and that's why.
ठीक है? You need to learn conjunctions too, क्योंकि आपका conjunctions भी थोड़े से आगे पीछे जा रहे हैं.
Okay,
Okay, and can you speak Nimadi?
No, sir.
You cannot.
You
Are you basically from Khandwa?
Yes, sir. I am basically for.
Do you live here with your family?
Yes, sir.
How many members are there in your family?
My family members in 4.
4 family members you
Yes,
have.
sir.
Okay, that's good. And what does your father do?
My father do businessman.
Your father is businessman.
Yes.
And your mother?
My mother is teacher.
Your mother is teacher.
Yes.
Chale, that's very good. Okay, Mahi, have a seat. Nice attempt.
Thank
अच्छी कोशिश, अच्छी कोशिश. Clapping हो रहा. Chale, the next, Krishna, the mischievous boy of the class. So, Krishna, how are you?
I'm fine.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, can I ask you a few questions?
Yes, you are asking me question.
Okay, can I ask?
Yes.
Yes, sir, you can. Can
You
I
can.
ask?
Yes, sir, you can.
Okay. So, what's your full name?
My name is Krishna Patil.
Krishna Patil. Very good. And where do you live, Krishna?
I live in Borga Buju.
Borgaon Bujurg. So you don't live in Khandwa.
Yes, I live in Khandwa.
So you said you live in Borgaon Bujurg.
Sir, रहते-
You are basically from Borgaon Bujurg.
Yes.
Okay. And where is Borgaon Bujurg?
Burhanpur. Nearby Burhanpur.
It's on Burhanpur Road, but it comes in Khandwa district,
Yes, sir.
not in Burhanpur district. You can't say that. Okay.
Yes,
It's on Burhanpur Road. You
Yes.
can say like. Okay. And tell me something about your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
My best hobbies is playing cricket.
Playing cricket. Very good. With whom do you play cricket?
I play cricket with my friends.
With your friends you play cricket.
Yes.
क्या बात है यार. Very good. And can I know the name of your friends?
Yes, I know my friends.
Okay,
Name my
yeah,
friends.
speak the name of your friends.
Anshul,
Okay.
Krishna, Mayur, and Pratyush, Prashil.
Oh my God, they are your friends.
Yes.
And are you bowler or batsman?
All rounder.
You are all rounder.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Yes, Vedansh, come on the stage. What is your full name?
My full name is Vedansh Barange.
Vedansh Barange. Very good. How old are you, Vedansh?
I am 11-year-old.
11 years old. Okay. And in which class do you study?
I study in 6th class.
6th class. Okay, very good. And what are your hobbies?
My hobby is playing cricket.
Playing cricket. Okay, so do you also play in Krishna team?
No, sir.
You don't play in Krishna's team. He plays in another team. Okay, and what is the name of your team? आपकी टीम का नाम क्या है?
सर कोई मतलब नहीं है.
टीम का नाम नहीं है. So with whom do you play cricket?
हर्षल पटेल.
With Harshal Patel you play. Who is Harshal Patel?
My Bua.
Bua's son. Okay. So you play with your Bua's son.
Yes, sir.
Acha, next questions to you. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. I listening to you.
Okay. Can you swim?
No, sir. I cannot swim.
You cannot swim. Okay. Can you dance?
No, sir. I cannot dance.
Can you sing?
No, sir. I cannot sing.
So what you can? क्या आता है फिर आपको? क्या कर सकते हो आप? ये बताओ.
Sir, cricket.
You can only play cricket. तो क्रिकेट खेल के तो आप दिखा नहीं सकते ना यहाँ पर.
Yes, sir.
Can you draw any painting? Can you draw anything on the board?
No, sir.
देखो ऐसा कार्टून नहीं बना सकते ऐसा है. Yeah.
Sir, बना सकते हैं.
So you can't draw like that.
Yes, sir.
You can.
I can draw.
राइट चलिए यार बच्चों की क्लासेस में पढ़ाने के मजे कुछ और होता है. वेरी गुड यार. एक मिनट देख कर क्लैपिंग फॉर इट. Okay. So you all have answered very well, and students, today we have learned the interrogative sentences.